This MaxAir training video covers the MaxAir single shroud outfits. All single shrouds assemble, don, doff, and disassemble similar to as shown in this video. There are two sizes of shrouds. The NL is for most head sizes. The SM is for very small head sizes. They are packaged 20 per box. Shrouds are used with a filter cartridge, which are snapped to the helmet after removing the cage. Shrouds attach directly to the hard hat, which is assembled to the helmet. For details, refer to the user instructions for the filter cartridge, hard hat, helmet, and shrouds at maxairindustrial.com. Key components of the shrouds include the lens front alignment hole, the two lens right and left side mounting holes, the right and left side flappers on the integrated lens cuff, the rear pull tab, rear and rear right and left side snaps. Key components of the standard helmet assembly include the headband ratchet knob. Key components of the hard hat include the front mounting post turn clip, the two right and two left side mounting posts. Key components of the helmet liner include the liner side tabs. Place the belt comfortably around the waist and position the battery near the side back of the right hip. Assemble the shroud to the hard hat. Typically start with an NL size, unless the head size is very small. If it is found that the integrated cuff does not provide slight tension around the face sides and chin, you will need to switch to the SM size. This is shown later in the video. With the hard hat front mount turn clip positioned horizontally, and ensuring that the lens is towards the front of the helmet and the cuff is towards the rear, press the center lens mounting hole over and onto the front mount turn clip. Secure the lens by positioning the turn clip vertically. Slide your grasp to the lens flappers, then press each lens side mounting hole directly over and down onto each side mounting post. A slight audible click indicates that each side mounting hole is securely attached to the hard hat mounting posts. Turn each interior mounting clip vertical to secure the lens to the hard hat. Pull the front shroud top fabric up over the front turn clip and tuck it in under and or close to the hard hat bottom edge, all around the hard hat. Hold the helmet securely, then grasp the shroud's rear pull tab and pull the shroud up and over the helmet. Continue pulling the shroud over and down the back of the helmet. Use the pull tab to position the shroud rear snap over the hard hat rear snap. Securely snap the rear shroud pull tab to the hard hat. Securely snap the rear right and left side shroud snaps to their respective snaps on the hard hat. Position the power cord over the right shoulder and down the back of the battery. Connect the power cord to the battery to initiate airflow. Push the power cord connector into the battery receptacle until the secure connection audibly clicks. Loosen the ratchet adjustment knob counterclockwise to ensure the helmet will easily fit over the head. Hold the helmet in one hand, pull the front top edge of the cuff down, and place your chin into the pocket between the cuff and lens. Then pull the helmet over and down onto your head. Tighten the ratchet knob clockwise as tight as comfortable to secure the helmet on the head for all anticipated activities. Slide your fingers between cuff and face from temples down and under the chin to properly position the cuff with its top edge back near the front of the neck. Pull the shroud down all around. Don appropriate body gown or covering per their manufacturer's protocol. Ensure that the front helmet headband is within about 1/2 inch of the eyebrows, so that the safety LED lights are clearly visible in the upper peripheral vision at all times during use. Pull the neck tie to within about 1/2 inch of the neck, then tie it securely. Feed the body tied through the front hood shroud slits. Pull it snugly around the body and tie it securely. Begin doffing the shroud by untying both neck and body ties. Pull the ties through their shroud loops. Roll up the shroud from its back bottom, inside over outside, up and over to the top of the helmet. Unsnap the rear pull tab from the helmet. Then, unsnap each rear side shroud snap. Continue rolling the shroud up and to the helmet front. Turn the interior side mounts horizontal. Grasp at the flapper area. Unsnap each side lens attachment from the hard hat. Continue moving the shroud forward and off the hard hat front mount. With the shroud completely off the helmet, discard appropriately as contaminated waste. Loosen the rear headband adjustment knob counterclockwise and lift the helmet up, forward, and off the head. Disconnect the battery from the helmet. Push the secure connection button down and pull the cord connector fully out and away from the battery. Release the button. Unbuckle the belt and remove the battery and belt from around the waist. Properly clean, ready, and store the helmet for its next use. This completes the MaxAir single shroud outfits training video.